Good morning, everyone. Students, today we are going to start our chapter number 13, Invention and Discoveries. So, first of all, we will come to know the meaning of inventions and discoveries. Invention means new things invented by a person. That new thing which is invented by the person. And what is the meaning of discoveries? Discovery means thing which is discovered by someone and which is already existing in nature. The thing which is already existing in nature that is discovered by someone is discovery. So in this chapter we will come to know first how Benjamin Franklin proved his theory on electricity. So students, ever since the invention of wheels revolutionized the entire world, means the invention of wheels changed the entire world, and there have been several important inventions during the last 3 centuries. In last 3 centuries, there were so many important inventions was there. So these inventions had a major impact on our lifestyles, and the changes that they brought in our society were truly commendable. So which changes came in 3rd century, and these invention impact on our lifestyles? So it means these invention bring lot of change in our lifestyles, and the changes that they brought in our society were truly commendable, means it is too much appreciable. So first we are talking about electricity. During monsoon, have you seen lightning in the sky on a rainy day? I think all have seen this. Whenever we see rainy days there, we always see in the sky shining light. So how does the lightning take place? How does the lightning take place? So an electrician, an American scientist, you can see in this picture, he is a American scientist, and the name of this scientist is Benjamin Franklin. Benjamin Franklin had a theory that lightning was an electrical current in nature. He had a theory that lightning was an electrical current in nature. So he wanted to see if the lightning could pass through a metal. He wanted to see if the lightning could pass through a metal. In June 1752, year is 1752, Benjamin Franklin. Who was Benjamin Franklin? He is a scientist, American scientist. So he decided to fly a kite on a stormy night. To test his theory, he attached a metallic key. He wanted to test his theory, so what he did, he attached a metallic key to his kite and flew it high in the sky. when lightning was taking place. In the picture you can see that when lightning is taking place, then he flew it high in the sky, his kite. So he attached another metallic object. First metallic object was the key, and second another metallic object on the other side of the thread. You can see in this picture, in the center is key and that is metallic object. So whenever there was a flash of light, he touched the metal piece. Who touched the metal piece? That light. He could feel light was touching that metalled piece. And what he did, he also touched the metal piece. And what he felt, he could feel a mild shock on the other end of the thread. When he was touching the metal piece, what he felt, he could feel a mild shock on the other end of the thread. So his famous Stormy kite flight in June of 1752 led him to develop many of the concepts of electricity. So his famous Stormy kite flight in June of 1752 led him to develop many of the concepts of electricity that we know of today. So this way he could prove that electricity can flow through metals. It was soon realized that electricity was a great source of energy and could be put to good use. So who proved that? Who invented that electricity? American scientist Benjamin Franklin. American scientist Benjamin Franklin has invented the electricity. Clear? So about this invention we have read. Lot of invention we will read in this chapter. So next we will see in another video. Thank you. Have a nice day.